Student, now question number 2. Question is, a relation R is defined from the set A. It is 2, 3, 4, 5. And set B is 3, 6, 7, 10. As follows, here x comma y belongs to R, implies that x is relatively prime to y. X is relatively prime to y. Express R as set of ordered pair. Ordered pairs. And determine its domain and range. And determine its domain and range. Student, it is one of the good question. So let us find the relation. So R equal to 2 is relatively prime with 3. 2, 3. So student, let us find the numbers which are relatively prime. 2, 3, 2, 7, then 3, 7, 3, 10, 4, 3, 4, 7, then 5, 3, 5, 7. So these are the numbers which are relatively prime. Let us find domain equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then range equal to 3, 7, 10. 3, 7, 5, 6 is also the one of the ordered pair. Five, 3, 5, 6, 5, 7. So it is 3, 6, 5, 7, 10 is also. So range is 3, 6, 7, 10. Student, now there is an inverse relation. Inverse relation. It is represented by R inverse. Student, let R is a relation where x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Then a relation taking the reverse order of ordered pair. We will change the order of ordered pair x, y comma x such that y belongs to B and x belongs to A. Then it is called inverse relation. It's very simple, same as relation. Student, now question 4. Find the inverse relation in each of the following cases. First part, here R equal to ordered pair 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 5 comma 6. Let us find R inverse. It is 2 1 3 1 3 2 2 3 and 6 5. And the second part, here R equal to x comma y such that x and y belongs to n and x plus 2y equal to 8. So same here, R inverse equal to y comma x such that this language will be same, x plus 2y equal to 8, or we can say y equal to x minus 8 minus x, y equal to 8 minus x upon 2. The third part, R is a relation from ordered pair is from the set 11, 12, 13 to 8, 10, 12, and it is defined as y equal to x minus 3. So student, first of all we will frame relation R. So R equal to let us check. If we take x equal to 11 minus 3 is 8. So there is one of the ordered pair 11 comma 8. Then 12 minus 3 is not equal to 10. Then yes, next is 13 comma 10. It is 13 minus 3 equal to 10. So this order pair is correct. 11 comma 8 and 13 comma 10. These are only two order pair. So relation R inverse equal to 8 11 10 13. Simple logic. Student, now next is question number 7. Here A equal to 3 comma 5, B equal to 7 comma 11, and there is a relation R. It is defined as ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and A minus B is odd. So that R is a empty relation from A into B. So let us check. If we take A equal to 3 and B equal to 7, it is minus 4, it is even. Then 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Then 3 minus 11 is minus 8. 5 minus 11 is minus 6. So we are not getting any odd number. Therefore, R is a empty relation. R is 5. Since difference of these two numbers is an even number, that is why this relation is a null set.